In this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account step by step, quickly and safely. If you've been looking for a simple way to take a break from Facebook without permanently deleting your account, you're in the right place. Deactivating your account is a great option if you want some privacy, less distraction, or just a temporary break from social media. And the best part is, you can always come back later and reactivate it whenever you're ready. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and tap the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. This menu is where Facebook keeps most of your account settings, so it's the starting point for this process. Once the menu opens, scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. This will take you into your main Facebook settings area. From here, look for Account Center and tap it. The Account Center is where Facebook groups together account and profile controls across Meta apps, including Facebook and Instagram. Inside Account Center, tap Personal Details. This section includes your account information and some of the options related to account management. Next, tap Manage. Depending on your app version, this may appear as a smaller option, but it should still be listed under your personal details or account controls. After that, tap Deactivation or Deletion. This is the part where Facebook lets you choose whether you want to temporarily deactivate your account or permanently delete it. Since we're focusing on deactivation, select Deactivate Account. Facebook may now ask you to confirm your choice and provide a reason for deactivating. You can choose the option that best fits your situation, whether you're taking a break, spending too much time online, or just want to step away for a while. Facebook may also ask if you want to continue receiving messages on Messenger or if you want to keep using certain Meta services. Be sure to review each prompt carefully so you understand what will happen when your account is deactivated. Once you're satisfied with your selections, follow the on-screen instructions and confirm the deactivation. After that, your Facebook account will be temporarily disabled, and your profile will no longer be visible to other people in the way it was before. Remember, deactivation is not the same as deletion, so your data is not immediately removed, and you can usually log back in later to restore your account. If at any point you change your mind, you can return to Facebook and reactivate your account by signing in again. So that's how to deactivate a Facebook account in just a few simple steps. If this video saved you time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.